Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor security floodlights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sansi 45-watt LED security floodlight. This Sansi security floodlight is one of the brightest outdoor security floodlights on the market, with LED lights that emit an astounding 6,000 lumens. But if that's too bright for you, you can dim the light using an adjustable knob. The motion detector can sense movement up to 72 feet away in a 180-degree arc, but you can decrease the distance monitored, too. The model has 2 adjustable arms and 6 45-watt bulbs that you can configure for use against walls, in corners, or pointing straight down toward the ground. You can set the light to stay on up to 10 minutes after it's triggered, or keep it on from dusk to dawn for up to 6 hours of continuous light. Moving on at number 4, we have the Amico Smart LED Floodlight. These LED security floodlights are a super bright, motion-activated choice to upgrade your home security while sticking to a budget, made even better because they can be controlled through an app on your phone. Amico's smart LED floodlights come with a built-in motion sensor that triggers the light to turn on, are hardwired to your home's existing wiring, can detect motion up to 70 feet away, and feature high customization in app controls. From your phone, you can set the lighting time from 5 seconds to 60 minutes for auto turn-off after the lights are triggered. The brightness and white color temperature can also be adjusted to your preference. You also have the option to set it to manual mode and simply control it through a switch like a typical floodlight, with your choice of times for auto shut-off as well. At number 3, we have the Philips Hue Discover Floodlight Starter Kit. Getting some reliable floodlights to ward away any unwelcome visitors is a great way to tighten the security around your home. However, they're probably not the most welcoming for trick-or-treaters or holiday carolers, unless you can change the colors for different occasions. Halloween is coming up and maybe you want this light to shine purple or green while kids are out trick-or-treating, or have it go different colors when you're expecting guests for a party. This starter kit does all of that. This bundle includes a Philips Hue Discover floodlight that can be set to one of up to 16 million different colors, an outdoor motion sensor to set up where you want motion to be detected, and a Hue hub to bring it all together. The hub connects this set together and gives it smart capabilities, so you can use it with up to 50 Philips Hue lights around your home and connect it to Alexa, HomeKit, or Google Assistant. Installation. The lights are hardwired, so they can be used in a conventional twin-socket driveway light. The motion sensor is weather-resistant and battery-powered, so it doesn't have to be wired or even placed near the light. The hub is an indoor device that you can plug in and connect to Wi-Fi. At number 2, we have the Wyze Cam Floodlight. This Wyze Cam and Floodlight combination is the best floodlights and camera combo for your money. If you're trying to set up a security light but prefer more in-depth surveillance, this combo is easily installed in a junction box, and even has an extra USB port to add another Wyze Cam, which is pretty handy if you want to set this up on a corner. The biggest benefit for this camera and floodlight combination is that you don't have to pay for an extra monthly subscription, as you can add an SD card to the camera of up to 256 gigabytes for local storage. As far as reliable, durable, inexpensive options go, you can't go wrong with the Wyze Cam Floodlight. Its IP65 rating makes it weather-resistant to anything the world has to offer, and the 2,600 lumens bright light, 105 decibels siren, and built-in motion sensor are sure to deter any unwelcome visitor. And finally at number 1, we have the Ring Smart Floodlight Plus Bridge. If you already have a Ring thing going on in your home and need to add or replace some floodlights, this Ring Smart Lighting Motion-Activated Floodlight is the one for you. It shines 2,000 lumens warm white light when someone comes within 70 feet of the light, giving you a wide coverage area, enough for a large driveway or front yard. This starter kit includes a ring bridge to set you up to receive notifications on your phone anytime the light is triggered by motion. The app gives you control over the auto shut-off installation. This version of Ring floodlights is wired, so it can seamlessly replace an existing light fixture outside your home, making for easy DIY installation. However, Ring does have a battery-powered option as well.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.